Today we're making a stateside tiki rum punch, built right in the glass. It serves one person and takes about 5 minutes. Let's do it. First, let's check the ingredients. 2 ounces aged Jamaican rum, our base spirit for depth and warmth. 1/2 ounce overproof rum for the float, bringing aroma and a bold finish. 1/2 ounce orgeat syrup for silky almond sweetness. 1/2 ounce rich demerara syrup adds molasses depth. 1 ounce fresh lime juice for bright acidity. 1 ounce pineapple juice for tropical body and foam. 1 ounce orange juice for juicy balance. 2 dashes Angostura bitters to spice the finish. 2 ounces chilled club soda for a refreshing lift. 1½ cups crushed ice, used in stages to chill and build. 1 mint sprig for a fragrant garnish. 1 pineapple wedge for a tropical look. 1 maraschino cherry to finish the garnish. 1 short straw for easy sipping. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Set a chilled Collins or tiki glass on the counter so it's ready to build in. Fill the glass halfway with crushed ice, about half of the 1 1/2 cups. Add 2 ounces of aged Jamaican rum directly into the glass. Add 1/2 ounce of orgeat syrup for almond richness. Add 1/2 ounce of rich demerara syrup. Add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice for brightness. Add 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Add 1 ounce of orange juice. Add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters into the glass. Add more crushed ice to bring the glass nearly to the top, using most of the remaining half of the 1 1/2 cups. Gently stir in the glass for about 10 seconds to combine and chill. Top the drink with 2 ounces of chilled club soda. Add a little more crushed ice to form a small dome above the rim, using the rest of the 1 1/2 cups. Slowly float 1/2 ounce of overproof rum over the ice. Garnish with 1 mint sprig, 1 pineapple wedge, and 1 maraschino cherry. Gently clap the mint to release aroma, then place it on top. Slide in 1 short straw and serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this build, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick tiki pours.